Hey guys, we received this JUKMO reversible ratchet belt for test and try. So it's a nylon web tactical work belt with automatic slide buckle. So this comes in a really nice gift box. So this is also good to gift to someone. Looks really nice. So let me just open the box. So you can see this is a very nice gift box that comes this manual, then secondary packaging inside. So this is a premium quality packing and also like a good thing to gift. So this is the ratchet belt itself. So durable belt, and the buckle is really heavy with the metal face and surface, and you can use this ratchet belt. So you can see like it's easily ratcheted under this hook. So you can just put in this and slide in. So thus this will automatically lock. See, and all these grooves will hold this belt in place. And then when you take it out, you press this button and take this belt out. So pretty nice model. It's a ratchet teeth, and then easily do this precise adjustment that you can do. So it's high density material as you can see it here, and you can adjust this knob as well. So you can reverse this to have two colors. So like a green and the black in here. So you can easily put the other side here. So you can use it as a two color belt, and you can easily move or rotate the buckle as I shown. So it's pretty nice design, pretty nice belt, heavy quality, durable, good heavy duty one, and also looks nice. So you can see the knob, you can reverse this knob by pushing it, and then you can use it in the other side. So nice quality belt.